You know what the easiest way there is to make money online? It is actually not affiliate marketing, believe it or not. Affiliate marketing is great. I love doing it, but there is a lot of competition and it does take a long time to build it up. But one thing you don't need to have a lot of time to build it up because it is so simple is creating content that you can sell on places like Etsy, on Amazon, on eBay, and a whole bunch of other places. And it gets even easier when you let AI do all the work and you literally just plug and play in order to be able to make money from this stuff. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of Enchanted Creatures Prompts Empire. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Enchanted Creatures Prompts Empire. I know that's a mouthful. This is from my friend Alessandro. These are some of the images that he's been able to create using Midjourney. He's actually giving you 576 prompts that you can go ahead and use to create these images instantly and go ahead and sell them. You can put them onto things like mugs, for example, and sell them on Etsy. You can sell them on eBay, on Amazon. There's actually a whole list of places, and of course, I do have a bonus for him that I'm going to tell you about in a little bit. But where I'm going to show you even more places to sell. But before we even show you that one, I do have a lot of bonuses actually to share with you. One of them that I'm super excited about because it fits so perfectly in with this is you can actually go ahead and use these images inside of a novel that AI will create for you. Uh, like I said, this wouldn't be a man that had review without there being some insane bonuses. Yes, I know that you are also the man in the hat, Neil. Thank you very much. Go back to making fake paintings or whatever it is you do right now, because we're talking about me. Anyway, but seriously. Okay, so check this out. This is really cool. So I put in a simple prompt here, and let's go ahead and say, but the main characters are fantasy type creatures, such as trolls and dwarves. Dwarfs. Okay, I think I'm spelling that wrong. Dwarves. No, that's yeah, I can't spell. What can I say? Okay, dwarves. There we go. All right. So, and then all we're going to do on this thing is just click Create Book. Now, there's more to it than that. I'm going to show you exactly which thing this is exactly. I'm going to show you how you can edit this thing, how you can copy it and save it, and everything else. But you can see here, it is literally giving you everything instantaneously. And you can actually see, for example, that as soon as you click on a section, it actually shows you the story being created for you instantly right as you're doing this. It is super simple. You don't have to do any of the work yourself, and you can take these things and actually use them to go ahead and copy that over and create your book with these images. Now, of course, this isn't the only bonus I have for you. I actually have a whole list of bonuses. So let me show this to you. So this is the first one that I was just showing you. Here's another one that I found that's really cool, that again fits really nicely with this. So if you wanted to create an instant short story, for example, this other AI will actually not only create the short story, will also create the images for you. Now, this one is, of course, limited to a 1,500 word story. So it's a short story, not a full novel. In this case, you actually get a full novel. You can see here all the different sections of the novel. You can actually have up to 12 chapters in your novel. So it's actually going to create a complete and full book for you, as opposed to just a short story. The other one is going to make a short story of about 1,500 words, but it will also include all the images for you. And you can see this is just a screenshot that I took as I was creating it. It literally just draws it for you with beautiful pictures right on the spot. Now, of course, that is not the only two bonuses I have for you. I actually have a whole bunch of bonuses for you. So let's say you wanted to get some publicity for your story. Well, how about getting some publicity over on Reddit? I actually found another AI that will actually go and create, that will actually find appropriate places for you to share information about your book, and will also even create the AI content that you can just post into Reddit, and it'll take you right there, so you can just copy and paste very, very simply to actually name drop your company's name into Reddit. Of course, that's still not all. I've also got even more. I've got a video where I'm going to show you 3 guaranteed methods to build a buyer's list, and these always work. I'm going to give you a done for you sales page. You can just use it to customize your product. Everything is ready to roll. I'm going to also give you the Sean Mize collection. These are 65 audio recordings from Sean Mize, one of the very best people in the industry, and he's going to teach you everything you need to know, and you can actually sell these, give them away, use them as your own bonus. It really is an incredible thing, and definitely something that is the antithesis of the usual crap that you see for PLR.
What a load of crap.
No, this one is not crap. This one is actually very, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, but seriously. Anyway, here's another thing. It's a collection of buttons, badges, and more. These, again, you can go ahead and use these. This is, of course, part of one of my products, Graphic Supremacy. You're going to get this for free without having to buy Graphic Supremacy, and you'll be able to use this to create your own content to post wherever you want to put it. Okay, now I'm also going to give you music. I'm going to give you hundreds of music tracks that you can go ahead and use, and also soundtracks that you can use to actually create all kinds of videos. If you want to make a video about your books, for example, or whatever you want to do it for, really, you're going to get royalty-free music with full PLR rights. But I'm still not done yet. I also have my newly made 5 email secrets video that I'm going to give you, again, with full PLR rights. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, I am also going to share with you another bonus where I'm actually going to give you my research on 25 plus new websites you can sell your artwork on. And nobody else has this list. Most people are going to sell on Etsy or on Amazon or eBay. Sure, those are great, but there's a lot of competition. I'm going to give you a whole lot more than just those places to sell your stuff on. So you're going to get all of these bonuses included from me when you pick up this prompt pack from Alessandro. Nobody else is going to give you as many bonuses as I'm giving you. I really went all out to give you an insane number of bonuses here that's going to really, really help you out with being able to build a real business online. So let's check out the members area real quick. You can see here it's basically just a download link. You're just going to click in order to download the prompts. They also have additional coloring book prompts, and that's pretty much all there is to it. It's really very, very simple. There's not a whole lot there, but if you want to be a successful entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, I know that. Thank you, Liz. That's very sweet of you. But if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, the successful entrepreneur knows how to take shortcuts and not waste time doing stuff that doesn't need to be done. And this really does help you so much with building a business, with being able to make money online. It really is an incredible resource for you. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
That he really hit that out of the park.
Yeah, seriously, you hit this one out of the park. As always, I love Alessandro's stuff because it's so easy to use. Nobody needs to think about how to use it. It's plug and play. It's done for you. This one is definitely easy to make money from, especially when you have all of the other stuff that I'm including as my custom bonus. Grab this, you're going to love it.